How to fix Facebook emoji problem on your Facebook account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I'm gonna show you and share with you how to solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone. Then when it's opening, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will search for Facebook application, and then you will go to storage, and on storage you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data, and then you will click OK. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.